Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into the Legend Cookware 3-ply stainless steel pots and pans set, a 10-piece collection promising professional chef quality for your home kitchen. In a world flooded with non-stick coatings and specialized materials, stainless steel often gets a bad rap for being difficult. But does this Legend set live up to its name? Let's find out. The first thing that strikes you about this set is its construction. Legend emphasizes that each piece is built to last a lifetime, designed with both novices and serious home cooks in mind. The core of this cookware is its 3-ply construction, which is a pretty standard but highly effective method for achieving excellent heat distribution and durability in stainless steel. They explain that this construction is chosen for safe and clean cooking, even heating, and overall cooking versatility. Each piece feels robust, and the handles are firmly riveted, which is crucial when you're dealing with heavy pots filled with soups, stews, or roasts. This is the kind of reassuring quality you want in cookware that's meant to be a long-term investment. Now, let's talk about versatility. This 10-piece set is designed to work with virtually any kitchen setup you might have. Whether you're on electric, gas, glass, or even induction, these pans are compatible. That's a huge plus, as it means you don't have to worry about upgrading your stovetop to enjoy high-quality cookware. The set also boasts stovetop to oven functionality, allowing for true one-pot meal cooking. They are oven-safe up to a respectable 450 degrees Fahrenheit, or 230 degrees Celsius. The set itself is quite comprehensive, including a 5-quart Dutch oven, a 10-inch frying pan, an 8-inch frying pan, a 1.5-quart saucepan, a 3-quart saucepan, and a 3.5-quart sauté pan. Each piece comes with its own custom-fitted lid, which is always a nice touch for keeping moisture and heat contained. The multiply cladding technology is where the real magic happens with stainless steel. Legend uses a combination of metals to optimize performance. The interior is 304 stainless steel, known for its food safety and ease of cleaning. This is sandwiched around a thick aluminum core, which is the workhorse for even heating, preventing those hot spots that can lead to unevenly cooked food. Finally, the exterior is 430 stainless steel, which ensures compatibility with all cooktops, including induction. They do mention that heat can transfer to the handles over extended high-temperature cooking, so using a potholder is always a good idea. It's a small disclaimer, but an important one for anyone who cooks at very high heat for long durations. Maintenance is often a major concern with stainless steel, but Legend makes a compelling case for how easy it is. To keep your pans looking their best, they recommend allowing them to cool completely before cleaning. Use dish detergent and a sponge or a soft mesh scrubber. For maintaining that polished luster, a bit of water and a mild acid like vinegar or lemon juice can work wonders. While the set is dishwasher safe, they suggest hand washing to preserve the visibility of the interior measurement lines. Compared to other materials like cast iron or pure copper, stainless steel is remarkably low maintenance. It doesn't require the same kind of seasoning or delicate handling that some other premium cookware materials demand. And this brings us to a key selling point: cooking performance without the health concerns of non-stick coatings. Legend emphasizes that you don't need to worry about the health risks associated with traditional non-stick coatings when cooking at high heat. They suggest heating the pan first, then adding a healthy cooking oil like safflower or olive oil, and you'll be able to achieve a beautiful sear on your steak or perfectly sautéed vegetables. There's no need to painstakingly baby the surface like you would with cast iron. It's a straightforward approach to cooking: cook, clean, and put away. They describe it as heavy-duty quality with a surprisingly lightweight construction, which makes handling these pans much more comfortable during everyday cooking. So, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros are numerous: excellent 3-ply construction for even heating and durability, wide compatibility with all stovetops including induction, oven-safe for versatile cooking, a comprehensive 10-piece set with useful sizes and lids, and the significant advantage of being non-toxic and PFOA, PTFE, and PFOS-free. The ease of cleaning and maintenance for stainless steel is also a major pro, especially compared to cast iron. On the cons side, while Legend touts it as lightweight construction, stainless steel cookware inherently has a bit more heft than some aluminum or non-stick options. The handles can get hot with prolonged high-heat cooking, requiring a potholder. Also, achieving a true non-stick experience with stainless steel requires proper preheating in the use of oil or butter, which is a learning curve for those accustomed to Teflon-like surfaces. Finally, while dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended for optimal longevity of the finish and markings, which might be a slight inconvenience for some. In conclusion, the Legend Cookware 3-ply stainless steel pots and pans set is a strong contender for anyone looking to elevate their home cooking with durable, safe, and versatile cookware. It strikes a great balance between professional quality and user-friendliness, offering a robust cooking experience without the health concerns associated with many modern coatings. If you're willing to embrace the simple techniques of stainless steel cooking, this set is an excellent investment that promises to serve you well for years to come. Link in the description.